Okay guys, look at that cute little bear climbing up the log. This is my friend Kyle. He's from Kyle Woodworking. Kyle Hall Woodworking, I believe. Look in the description below to get to this video and his YouTube channel. You're going to have to be subbed to him to enter this contest. It's his thing. He contacted me about it and asked if I would do a carving on it and send it back to him after, and he can do it as a giveaway. I agreed to do it, so I'm not too sure. Carve a wood spirit, koi fish, and eagle, I'm not too sure. I'll have to see when I get it. So you guys go over, check out his channel, check out this video. He'll tell you what he wants for you to enter the competition. Like I said, it's not my thing, it's his thing, but I'm happy to do it, and it's I think it's going to be a great prize. So you guys just look at the description below what to do.
Check out the bear, right? Got his eyes in, got his nose. This guy's pretty cool. On a rock. He's ready to be shipped out. Jordy over at Carving Fusion to do his thing with that mail pretty soon, so he can get his work done on it. You guys notice all the carvings in the tent today? There's a whole bunch of them, right? If you guys haven't seen all of them, you'll have to rewind the video and hit pause and check it out. The number of pumpkins is what's going to get you entered in the contest to win this bear. Also, there's one pumpkin that's been hiding there. So don't forget that guy in your count. Add up everybody in this shop, plus that one. Comment that below. The correct number of pumpkins will get you entered to win. Now, the way I'll be doing that is all names are going to go in a hat, and I'll draw your names out. Old school, simple, basic. We'll do that as a live drawing. I will reiterate the rules and everything in an upcoming video once I get the carving back to Jord, as long as everything goes well. And a few more people will be able to come over, watch this video, count up how many pumpkins we got in the carving tent today. So be ready for all that. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell that pops up so you can be alerted to all the new videos, especially the ones with the giveaway. And that's pretty much what I got for you guys today. Have fun, carve something, and I'll see you guys next time.